pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. Please watch the following video and thank me later.
How to find a web host easily and quickly. Are you looking for a web page hosting company that will meet all of your needs with reliability, flexibility, and effective? The following tips can help reveal whether it's time for you to start shopping for a current or prospective best web hosting provider. Find lots of different recommendations before settling on a host service. If you just listen to a few people, then their levels of experience and competence may be so far apart that there is no way to make a middle ground decision. Are you stuck between choosing between a free hosting provider as a place to put your new website? If you choose not to do this, you may be stuck without any recourse if your site or certain files disappear. Be sure that you register your domain's name using a different company than your web host in case there's some kind of disagreement between the two of you. This way you can still have the domain name and can put the site on a different server. This places the control of your domain in your hands, rather than your host's. Use this information to tweak the way that you change aspects of your website to attract more customers. Be careful about choosing a web page hosting packages that promise unlimited services. For instance, if a web host provides infinite disk space, there might be limitations on the file types that are allowed. Many hosting companies are actually relying on a major host of their own. Create a list of your needs ranked by importance before you start your web host research. Take an honest look at what features are essential for your business and then compare what services and features are part of the package from each host you are considering. Having a list of priorities means you won't just pick a host because it offers the cheapest service, but because it genuinely meets your needs. Try using a host that offers SEO features to improve traffic. These features ensure that your site with popular search engines. Make sure you don't get taken by scams or miscellaneous fees. Many hosting companies tend to advertise their prices without mentioning the extra fees up front. Find out every potential fee up front to avoid shock when you will be really paying each month. Do not select a host by comparing only the price. Make sure you look at all the different options and consider future growth potential as well. There are various things you should consider, and choosing based solely on price might eventually mean that your business needs aren't met. If you are considering a free web hosting service, be careful. Free hosts won't usually back up your website, so it'll be up to you to ensure that everything you upload is also backed up on your computer. This means that if something disappears, it's gone for good. You need to make sure the company you select provides a service with preventative measures against hackers. The better host providers will have a regular routine of server backups to protect the data. Good communication is vital to picking a host. You need a host that constantly interacts with its customers and gives them information when updates occur or downtime and maintenance will be occurring. You will want to have the ability to contact them if you are having issues. You need to have multiple ways to contact your chosen web host in the event of an urgent technical problem. If they offer things like live chat, email or phone support on a 24-hour basis 7 days a week, you can rest assured that their customer service is probably great. This will prevent headaches down the road if something bad happens. Most hosts already require you to back up your own site. You should definitely back up your data, for the safety of your marketing materials and unique media if nothing else. If you do this, you'll be able to restore your website if, for example, a hacker or virus corrupts the data stored on your web host's server. VPS is not like common hosts. This includes all of your software installations and deletions, including creating accounts and deleting and installing software. Server access. Check what kind of server access hosting providers offer. Some companies give you FTP-based access that can be confusing and complex if you are not used to using it, while others have a complex type of server access. The simplest sites do not require as much technical experience, while more complicated sites may do better with FTP. Look for a web host that will break down internet stats and web information, so you can learn more about your visitors. Get a visitor counter on your site, and compare this number to the statistics given to you by your web host. If you have an online business, use this information to adjust your methods to your audience. What you've read here will give you the ability to compare the best web hosting companies, and choose the best from the bunch. It takes time and research to compare services, but there are many good providers out there. Use the tips above to expedite your search and find the best web hosting service that can take your business to the next level. Don't forget to like our video.
That's cool, right? Click the link below this video and claim your free bonuses.